Hey everyone, welcome back to my Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you 3 hidden settings you can make it your browser faster, smoother and more powerful under 2 minutes. So let's get started. So go to your browser. Here you will search for Chrome. Now you will see Chrome flags. Click on it. Now the top 3 secret Chrome flags are: the first one is smooth scrolling. Click on this, then click on enabled. This removes lag and makes scrolling feel super smooth. The second is parallel downloading. Click on the default, then click on enabled. It splits files into parts, giving you faster download speeds. Number 3 is GPU rasterization. Click on default, then click on enabled. This uses your graphic card to load pages for faster and smoother. And that's it. The 3 secret Chrome flags that can instantly boost your browsing. Try them out and tell me in the comment which one worked best for you. If you like this, if this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more hidden tech tricks. Thanks for watching.